Hi my loves, welcome or welcome back. This is Indu and in today's video I'll be sharing my little secrets on how to achieve a smooth flawless base on textured skin with a soft glam look. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. I'm going to start off with a makeup fixer and spray a generous amount on my face. So a lot of time the texture on our skin comes because of the dryness. So it's going to lock in moisture and trust me, it makes such a difference, especially when you have texture or dry patches. Next, I'm going in with a moisturizing primer. It has a very silicone moussey kind of texture. It will fill in all the fine lines and pores, textures without over drying my skin. I mainly apply it where I have the most texture like fine lines and pores, and whatever's left in my hand, I will just make sure to apply it all over my face as well. Now for my foundation, I am keeping it super light. When you have textured skin, you need to avoid foundations that are very thick and drying on the skin. Otherwise, it will emphasize on the texture. Even though this foundation has a full coverage, it's very lightweight on the skin and does not look cakey. I am applying a very thin layer of the foundation, avoiding my under eyes because I'm leaving it for my concealer, as I want to avoid unnecessary layering or else that will lead to creasing, and that's not a cute look. So, moral of the story, less is definitely more. Next up, we have concealer. Instead of applying directly under the eyes, take some on the back of your hand, pick it up with a brush, and then start applying it. Also, make sure not to go way close to the waterline. This way, you are avoiding creasing, and it's not going to cling on to the fine lines and emphasize the texture. You're going to achieve a very smooth, natural looking base. Then, for my blush, I'm using a cream blush in the shade In the Nude. It's a beautiful coral peachy kind of a shade. I love how it looks on my skin tone, and honestly these blushes are my go-to for textured skin. They just melt into the skin, does not cling on to dry patches, and gives the most natural kind of flush. And then to set everything in place, I'm using this 3-in-1 palette, taking a bit of the translucent powder on a pizza puff, even out the sponge before applying. I promise we are not wasting anything, it's just pushing that powder in, and this will help you get the most even application. I have combination skin, so I'm just applying it wherever I get oily. Then from the same palette, I'm picking up the bronzer and adding some warmth back to my face. This bronzer is so finely milled, it's so smooth on the skin and gives a blurring kind of effect. I absolutely love the bronzer. Then I'm taking the same setting spray and spraying some on my makeup sponge, and with a very light hand I'm tapping it all over my face. This will make sure to melt down every powder product that I used right now, and it will also lock in everything in place and make the base long lasting. I'm using a cream highlighter. It's in the shade Solar, and I'm very strategically applying the highlighter just on the high points of my face, wherever the light naturally hits for a soft, natural glow. And I'm avoiding textured areas, like for example I have texture on my forehead, so I'm avoiding my forehead completely, or else it will end up highlighting the texture as well, and we don't want that. And I love the fact that it does not have any chunky shimmer particles, so it looks very natural on the skin. Then for my brows, I'm using this 4-in-1 eyebrow kit. I'm simply brushing my eyebrow hair using that charcoal gray kind of shade, and simply drawing and mapping my eyebrows, filling in all the sparse gaps. Brows make a huge difference. It just simply frames your face and makes you look awake. Now let me show you one of the easiest, most effortless eye makeup. Taking that muted pink shade and applying it all over my lids and on my crease as well, making sure to blend it out really nicely. Then taking that peach shade and blending out the edges. I'm using the peach shade as a transition shade, also taking it on my lower lash line as well. Then taking that shimmery shade on a fluffy brush and very lightly dusting it on my lids, and for the pop of color, using that purple shade as my eyeliner. And that's it, your effortless soft glam look is ready. Finishing it off with some mascara, applying a generous coat of the mascara. I'm avoiding the lower lash line. Then to tie the whole look together, I'm using this pinkish brownish kind of nude shade. Absolutely love this. And that's how you create a smooth, flawless base on textured skin. Let me know how you like the video and if it was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.